power of dreams.
Very, very warm welcome to all of you here, ladies and gentlemen. We are delighted and thrilled to present to you the all-new Dash 125.
As a company that is committed to bringing new values for the joy of customers, Boon Honda has been refining models offerings to meet the expectation of Malaysian riders for superior riding experience. We are extremely excited to introduce the new Dash 125 that is set to push the benchmark higher in the cub segment. Now, powered by a 125cc engine, the Dash 125 offers an even more exhilarating and dynamic ride, especially to young riders.